Weight loss patches like the Murwon MBN Patch claim to help you lose weight by suppressing appetite, boosting metabolism, and delivering active compounds through the skin. But the big question is, does it actually work or is it just marketing hype? Let's break it down. So Murwon's product is marketed as a nano microneedle patch with ingredients like moringa and berberine, ingredients often talked about for metabolism and appetite control, and says it supports weight management, energy, and cravings with a simple patch you wear on your skin. Here's the reality. There's no credible clinical evidence or published research showing a berberine or moringa patch reliably causes fat loss or systemic metabolic changes in humans. Most claims come from sales pages, not independent studies. Weight loss patches in general lack strong data. A Healthline review notes very limited human research on weight loss patches, meaning their effectiveness is unproven and largely theoretical. Online testimonials on seller sites boast dramatic results, but those are unverified anecdotes and not a substitute for rigorous clinical proof. Reddit and online discussions about similar patches are mixed. Some people claim appetite changes or temporary effects, but many users point out that real weight loss requires diet and exercise, and some call the idea of a magic patch unrealistic or even a scam. To find a verdict, the Murwon MBN patch has no strong evidence backing its major claims. It's mostly marketing and anecdote, not proven science. For real weight loss, evidence-based strategies like nutrition, activity, and medical guidance remain your best bet, not patches alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.